So we're going to install the engine and the lever. So here is the lever. So this has to go down, this has to face down, and this is RBD. I happen to order from online Amazon RBD, and here is the screw. Actually, I'm not very happy with the company because this screw, it's not fitting properly. So I don't know why, but we're just going to do with one screw. Actually 50cc engine, it's quite costly, but first time in India, I think Honda, it's costing somewhere around 40 to 50,000, I believe. So I got this from Amazon quite cheap, and we're going to find out. So now the next thing what we need to do is we need to put the handle. Here is the handle. So this has to be on the left hand side every time. This has to be on the right hand side. So both this handle, left and right. So once this is done, see that the screws are tight properly, because we're going to hold this, so everything has to be tightened properly. Now here comes this is the cable. The red will go to the red and the black will be black, and this is the accelerator. So we're going to install this. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here is the lock, just press it, and this is the air filter. If it is dirty, always clean this. So now let's install the cable. So this is the cable. So if you can see inside there, that this is the lock. So here one side it's quite big, if you can see the hole, see, and then if you turn this, one side is quite small. So what you need to do is that the bigger hole should be upward like this, and then we need to insert the cable right like this, and then you need to screw this one first. You need to tighten this one so that the cable goes up and it's easy to install. So once you do that, again you need to tighten this one a little bit. Once you do that, press this. Yeah, now if you can see that it has gone inside. So basically now this is tightened. Now once you do that, you need to tighten this one with the help of this. See that it is not loose. Okay, so once you do that, tight this with the wrench so that it doesn't move. Wrench, the red will go into the red and the black will be into the black. Male and female, these are male and female. So so the black will go to the black, and then the red will be the red. So we'll put this one aside for it now. This is installed the handlebar. This is the handlebar. Let's install the blades. How to install the blades we'll find out. This is how you install. This is opposite direction. So if you want to unscrew this one, this has to, there's an Allen key. You have to put the Allen key inside and lock it. You have to lock it, and then let's turn this so that we can see it properly. So we'll turn this machine for a while like this, and then so we'll show you how to install this one first. Let me show you how to install this one, so that the next procedure we will go. You need to take out this cover for this, so we'll show you how to install this. This part has to face opposite to the main shaft, which is the rotor, and here you need to put the screws. This down has to be here. Why we need to put this? Because when we cut tall grasses or anything, then so alright, so we will not tighten the screw. We'll just show you. I'm just showing you how to install this one. So these are the 3 screws. You need to tighten this one. Then the next comes the next part is this one. This is very important. So you need to, there is a hole here. If you can see the hole here, you need to align the hole here. Okay, and then once you do that, you need to put this one, the plate, and then after that you need to put this, then after that you need to put this, and after that just opposite direction when you tighten this one, right? After that you need to put that cover. So what we need to do is that we need to turn this. I will show you. We need to turn this one like this, and then you need to install that one. So there are 2 screws here. Take out the screws. So done, this is done. So we will turn the machine and we'll show you the right way. Okay, so this is how you install this blade, and then we will show you how to install the another blade. These are very simple. So for this you need to unscrew these 3 screws which you have tightened. So take out this one, Once you do that, you need to place this plate here. There is a hole here, so you need to check that. Okay. These are the 3 screws, so tight it properly. Tight it properly with the help of the Allen key, full tight. Okay, this once it is fully tight, you need to install this. This is the first plate. You need to see the hole, yes, and then after that you can put this trimmer, the trimmer. This is how you put the install the trimmer. So you need to use the lock. You need to use the lock. Yeah, put the lock there. And then the opposite direction when you tighten. Okay, this is how you do. All right, yes, once it is done, tight, and then put the lock again, and then opposite direction, and this one you can put it the same thing, the plate here, and then you need to put the upper plate, and that's it.